Welcome to I Love This Thing So Fricking Much, a podcast about passion. My name is Sophie Katz, and today I am joined by Gizmo, a local house cat. Welcome to the show, Gizmo. Oh, it's great to have you here. So, here's how this works. Gizmo will have 3 minutes to talk about something that he loves. This can be a person, place, thing, concept, activity, anything he wants. Our only requirement is that he loves it wholeheartedly and wants to tell us why. Are you ready, Gizmo? All right, got my timer here. Now, what do you love so fricking much? Go ahead and finish your thought. That's great. Thank you for telling us about toy birds today. So how did your love of toy birds begin? You mentioned before that some of your toys make electronic bird sounds when you play with them, while others are attached to jingle bells. Do you have a preference for one or the other? Oh, wow. Say a little more about that. Is there anything that you don't like about toy birds? And if so, how do you handle that? Gizmo, thank you so much for telling us about something you love today. And thank you, our listeners, for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this April Fool's Day episode. And if you have something you love so fricking much you want to tell me all about it, consider this your invitation to join the show. I Love This Thing So Fricking Much is a production of Through the Window Media. This episode was directed and edited by Sophie A. Katz. You can find us at Through the Window on Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky, and Tumblr. That is THROU the Window at all those social media sites. Be good to yourself, be kind to each other, and you'll hear from us again soon.